Are you struggling to install Scipy on your Google Cloud instance? You're not alone. Many new users face this issue, and today we're going to help you troubleshoot it step by step. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're trying to set up your environment and the installation process just gets killed. This is a common hurdle for many users, especially when working with cloud instances. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked, "Why does my Scipy installation get killed on Google Cloud?" They shared that they were trying to run the command pip install Scipy, but received a message indicating the process was killed. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what could be causing this issue? Often, when an installation process is killed, it can be due to insufficient memory or resources on your cloud instance. We'll explore how to check and resolve this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the user's issue, we should first check the available memory on the Google Cloud instance. Insufficient memory can cause the installation process to be killed. If the available memory is low, the user can try to increase the instance's memory. This can be done by stopping the instance and changing its machine type to one with more memory. Next, the user should consider using a virtual environment for the installation. This helps manage dependencies and can prevent conflicts. Once the virtual environment is activated, the user can attempt to install Scipy again. This time, the installation should proceed without being killed. Finally, if the installation is successful, the user should verify the installation by importing Scipy in a Python shell. Fun fact, did you know that Scipy is named after the term scientific Python? It's a powerful library that makes scientific computing easier, but it does require some resources to install. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use a compute engine virtual machine instead of the Cloud Shell. The Cloud Shell has limitations and isn't designed for heavy computations. By creating a virtual machine, you can SSH into it and perform your installations more effectively. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always monitor your instance's resource usage while installing large packages. This can help you catch issues before they become a problem. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to successfully install Scipy on your Google Cloud instance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep your cloud environment optimized.